Hello bakery store owners. Are you struggling to manage your multiple chain of stores and franchise? Then this video is going to be very much helpful for you. Kindly watch it till the end. Hi, I am Priyadharshini, the Bigdbiz bakery ERP consultant and the business manager. So, in this video we are going to see how the Bigdbiz bakery ERP solution is going to be very much helpful for you to manage your multiple chain of outlets and the franchise. So Bigdbiz bakery ERP system is a cloud-based solution where you can manage all your stores from one place. So you can see the sales and all the details from your super admin login itself. And the same time, if you are having franchise, then you can see how much margin you have been collected for a particular day. You can receive all these notifications to your email. So you can see how much of sales it has happened in stores of your branches, your own branches, and the same time how much has been happened in your franchise. And you can see the collective reports of the both. You can see how much margin you have been earned out of that. So if you have any queries on this, if you want to have an online demo how to manage your franchise and branches from one place, then kindly call us at 9123515998 or visit our website www.bigdbiz.com. And I'm Priyadharshini signing off right now. Thank you.